The human body is filled with and surrounded by a dynamic energy system. The electromagnetic field of energy that surrounds the body is referred to as the auric field, aura, or etheric body, which is made up of the emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. Axiatonal alignment is a healing technique that reunites our physical bodies with axiatonal lines for healing the physical and etheric bodies. Axiatonal lines are part of a fifth-dimensional circulatory system. This alignment brings in and activates these new golden lines, establishes reconnection of DNA, and is a direct link between cosmic intelligence and your consciousness. Axiatonal alignment requires 2 sessions to fully activate and connect your axiatonal lines. This process is best integrated when done remotely from the comfort of your own quiet space, free from distractions or disturbances, for about 30 minutes. Anytime you want to find out more about axiatonal alignment, go to my website, belovedessences.com. Scroll down till you see Axiatonal Alignment. From there, you'll see a link that says more details, and you'll find a full page or 2 that talks to you a lot about Axiatonal Alignment. Thank you so much. Bye for now.